Videly Review 2023, beware before you sign up. Discount inside. If you would like to learn more about Videly, or get a special discount, I'll leave a link below. Videly Review Overview. But the problem is, not all of us know SEO or know how to build backlinks to rank on page 1. A live Videly demo, an inside look. As you can see, within the video SEO software is quite amazing. What is Videly? In short, Videly is a powerful new video marketing tool that helps you rank your videos on both YouTube and Google. The Videly Dashboard, Members area. So this is where you can find the training, and see your main dashboard inside of the tool. Videly Keyword Research. The second tab inside of Videly will give you access to their powerful keyword research feature. Videly Video Details. This feature inside of Videly will help you generate perfectly SEO-optimized titles, descriptions and tags for you automatically. Videly Pricing and Cost. For a one-time price, you can get Videly for $47, at the time of writing this at least. What about a Videly free trial? But the good news is that you can still get a Videly promo code, coupon code, or better known as a discount. New Videly discount. The link down below will allow you to get a 75% off discount right now for Videly. Videly Pro, Auto 1. Videly Pro will give you exclusive access to the niche analysis and rank tracker tabs, plus so much more. Videly Niche Analysis. This cool feature inside of Videly Pro will allow you to quickly see in advance how easy or difficult it is to rank your videos for a specific keyword or niche. Videly Rank Tracker. With the Videly Rank Tracking feature, you can track your video rankings on Google and on YouTube. So you will need to purchase Videly Standard before you can upgrade to the Pro version. Videly Agency, Auto 2. The last upgrade and upsell for Videly is their Agency Auto. Videly Video Report. The video report will give you a list of things you need to optimize your video for. The Ultimate Videly Bonuses. Here is a list of my bonuses that you get for free when you buy through my link. For the special discount, I'll leave a link description box below.